Ghana for police impenium for say woman here politicians be ya na police impenium for no woman eguase. Sisiana, it is glaringly clear how politics has entered the security agencies. Glaringly clear, everyone knows. And so better also to subscribe and click the notification bell on so you know latest news we have a bar on Sabetan. Yawa Hasei, I think 2 weeks ago, and I brought your DC, Wakotin under 2. Accusee John Dramani Mahama said Mahama enim former president Atamils Wono Unimhubi. Now me sure say why would you are not even surprised because in same way ya kafa Mahama hosa ama Mahama won't respond. My podcast e wa channel way so da ama makapen say ade ba ko amempe e wa Mahama ho no ye kan semfa ne ho nkrofo ne appointees ko bokro no a ye kafa ne ho ye di wo hye no ni na won kasa ubo na nkrofo e believe. That's one thing I don't like about Mahama. Eto de bia ya na me pese Mahama wo ye te se Kennedy Japan kakra. Udi owo be hye na wo be sori akase defende ne ho Kennedy Japan no. Ba Mahama won yesa ne wa ye kom na te se ye di owo for a very long time. Atamils wu ye di owo na hye Mahama konsa e ma abronye ekokan o TV so. And Abronye is not the only MPP ni awaka sa ade no. He's not the only Ghanaian awaka sa ade no. Now when Mahama ka said that be way there, e was me responded. Abronye sanso ka say Mahama abo pass ye pese ye kun wono Abronye no. E na Mahama e ko tro enkrata wo man the lawyer Tony Lita. E tro enkrata e ko ma aposifo mpanyinfo say na Abronye ka mesre monto nsan frɛ no. Na evidence awo no won fambra enhu ne se ne krese Atamils ana nipa wo se me mabo pass yembra mbekun no monfa onfa evidence mbra na Ghana fo hu emu no kre police for edi asem nechi etonsa efre Abronye ehwa na asem ne beda ne political afa ye beti an se police for say sisia no wo mo be ye investigation no mo ahwe Atamils ni wuo ni mu Trese indirectly no on be some trese asema Abronye no yes for this long time they believe in it. Emma if deputy information minister Payosenam Hajide Ababonte say yes they will make sure say they will reveal the truth about Atamils niwo actually Ghana for just asem na kwa koda ne politics. Emma nkrofo bebre e ba beka say hey wait there nhwehwe ni musembe no nhwehwe ni musembe no ametsuale wuye mu nkohwe ne kiri akwan aside ametsuale no mua MPP mu MP JB Dankwa wuye mu nkohwe ne kiri akwan politics inti mu ahyeda na ane mu be yenhwehwe mu ahwe Atamils ni wuo ni mu be yenhwehwe aden Kwame A+ etre aban no ekatrom se masa sa ade na mo ye no mo de politics e be fefa Atamils wuo ne ho anyway na enye mo pese mo ya na mo se Mahama din keke Captain Smart Krakan se yate se nde 7 previous police for mo hu ne se mo pese mo hwe Atamils ni wo ni mu yenhwehwe mu fa Atamils ni wo ni mu pa because Abronye ka se Mahama ene ekunu na mo pese mo de politics and the ametwale ene eye JB Dankwa so ono so ne de mu nhwem asemo Captain Smart Krakan etiefo Atamils nebusianfo ababonte say hey nhwehwe ni mu aban ene police for ade amoye na eye nhwehwe ni mu na mu njai bo say family wo mo a Atamils yo mo de hye no wo mo nsuma wo bia say wo mo nye nhwehwe mu say o ye nhwehwe mu ehu say Atamils o say wo mo nsuma wo bia wo mo a family nankasa eye autopsy Emma omunya autopsy report no wo mo sheda no mo amagana for ehu because they wanted it as private and the family are satisfied with the result they got. Result a wo mu hu say ade a ekun Atamils no mu nim say na ade a ewo ne so na yare ewo ne so they are satisfied, they are okay with it. And now fiance amodi ade ne be politics a se be ebusuafo yaw a wo mo edi atwam no mo san so e ba be kai omo nti Atamils ebusuafo bo afuye Se saa de na aban any police for person omo ye no wo munjai wo person wo mu use wo nim say election e ba omo sheda be use atami so wuo no mo de aye propaganda etia mahama omo say ya de a wo muni enje ho no munjai. Okay FM ena Atamils nebusiani wakasa your friend is Samuel Atamils. Now Samuel can see on the day of his death, as they were scheduled to travel on the same day, I was with him. Onuni nyale na eka se Ghana fo ebi mo kan sem no wo mo pese asem ni see me like Atamils kan no ye nya kan fa na ntum no o se wonu ni nua no saa day na Atamils wu ye no a ye de ne ko hospital wonu ni nua no ne Atamils e wo ho no wo ne nchen. O say an autopsy has been conducted and I was present when it was done. The family is satisfied and we have not complained about the cause of his death. Ni nua say yaye autopsy wo ho ebusuafo ni hu autopsy mo hu say okay we e na kun ye de hye no ebusuafo ensre aban na police fo bia say moma ye hu de ekun no wo mankasa nim de ekun no ma mo mfa ade we mbe ye politics asemo Atamils ne family ebusuafo eka eno no na Ghana won Ghana esre say you get an MPP executive who talks recklessly go and sit on a TV station and accuse a former president of the death of a president, or on the death of accuse a former president on the death of another former president. Now police for the mobile can say honey and the assembly of the aban yebe you know say adi ye autopsy wunim say ebusuafo they are satisfied. Na so yenka na yemfanya propaganda ntia na information minister asemu ye fan ho ben the deputy information minister asemu ye fan ho ben na wa ba bon say ane ye be ye nhwehwemu de ye ya Atamils ye be ya ne ye hu de ekun no sebe mpre de asa Atamils pe eno ye nipa sebe wo ye top political personality a wewu ana MPP for mo former vice president onwu ye mo aye nhwehwemu de aba eya na ye ma politics e wo krom ha e bon kakankan e ma politics be bon kakankan Atamils ni nua no ni bufu ye will issue a strong warning to a more person wo mo de ade we play cheap political point no o se wo mo njai na a act of drunkenness. Just a police any aban penyifo mo ayo mo adwen say wo mo de ade we be politics no sebe ase wo mo anom nsa abo ono akasa ne numu asem honorable Samuel Atamils ono na waka nsem no ono akasa ne numu asem o say stop, it is an act of drunkenness. Family nensuma wo biaye eye wo mo de hye wo mo nim de ekun no they are happy with what killed him and they are happy with what caused the death of omodehye no. And after some obey mu hwehwenimu e de ade we be politics, all because we want to spoil or destroy Muhammad's name. Omaya would him say na me say dey am say police for ayomaje say yes omo so omayomaje so mo be ye nhwehwemu e na me go so meeting say Ghana police Ghana police. You've not found the killers of Ahmed Swali. Anas Abuamo with evidence. Anas Abuamo with artistic impression. Yetre say oh Nkrofa yesi wo mukun Ahmed Swali no say no munim te. Na so nini na na yesi police aboegu. Nini na na yesi police aboegu. Asemo ehun hia just because of politics. ebusuafo na ba abontia ba be kasa de mo be no monye unta mo adwo comment box mo medase